Hello everyone. Just purchased this GearWrench Socket wrench set at Advanced Auto Parts. Model number 83001D. Been needing a socket wrench set for a while. Decided to take advantage of that it was on sale. Usually it's about $160. I bought it at $110, so it's brand new. Gonna open it up for you guys. Before I went ahead and actually opened the box, I wanted to show you guys everything on the back of it, in case you were looking at purchasing this one. And this is everything that the box brings. Socket wrenches, metric and standard. You have a couple of regular wrenches. You also have a 1/4 inch drive, 3/4 inch drive, and a 1/2 inch drive. So here we go. Comes in this sturdy hard plastic box. Before I open it up, I wanted to show you guys the hinges. You can actually open it up and remove the top very easily and just fit the bottom of the box directly in your toolbox in a drawer like that. You don't have them all over the place. But okay, let's turn this around. Pretty sturdy latches. You have two in the front and one on each side. Alright, well, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have everything that you paid for. A lot of times, even though brand new out of the box, you're missing some pieces. Rarely happens, but I've seen it happen. I just saw something right now, but it's just out of place. Alright, so you have your 1/4 inch drive, 3/8, 1/2 inch. You have your metric sockets. It goes from 4 millimeters to 13. And on here you also have the from 9 millimeter all the way to 11. You have your standards 12 through 19. I'm sorry, your metric from 12 to 19, and the 1/4 inch drive, 1/2 inch drive. And now over here on this side you have all your standard for 1/4 inch, 3/8, and also 1/2 inch. You got your extenders, pretty solid. Real nice finish on them, nice and chrome. The ratchets have an 84 tooth, makes it real nice. Less movement to try and move and reset it and get it moving for you guys. Real nice and heavy. The handle is real nice. It's round, kind of similar to the snap-on ratchets. Make it more comfortable than, like, let's say the Craftsman ones that are kind of flat. When you're trying to add some torque, you know, it kind of hurts your hands, but these are real nice. Over here you have your regular wrenches. You have your 19 millimeter. See if this focuses here. 19 millimeter, 18 millimeter, 9/16, 1/2 inch, and 7/16. Here you got the spark plug to remove the spark plug. And these are your extended sockets. On these extensions,